Hi, this is Ariel Appel from Confident Business English, helping you get confident in English so you can focus on your business. You know how trying to remember prepositions of time is so confusing? I mean, really, is it in 4:30? Is it on 4:30? Is it at 4:30? And then when you finally learn it, you just forget it again. Just so tiring. If this is your situation, I want to tell you that I have a really cool method that I came up with, and when you learn it, you are never again going to forget which preposition of time to use. Oh, before I forget, I wanted to tell you about my free English Advantage training that you can check out after this video. It'll give you all the tools that you need to get confident in English conversation. You can find that in the link below. Let's begin. Okay. So the first preposition we're going to learn is the preposition at. At we use for a time on the clock. So for example, our meeting begins at 4:30. So the question is, how do I remember this in a way that I won't forget it again ever? It's very simple. First of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write on a board here. I have my trusted whiteboard, and I'm going to write the word at. As you can see, okay? Now, the way that we can use this in order to help us remember that at is for time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase the T from the at and then write the T inside like this. So it looks like there's like a cross inside, okay? Now we have the A and the T is inside the A. Okay, you're probably thinking I'm crazy, but wait just a second, it'll all come together for you. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to erase part of the T just like this, and maybe I can get creative and erase part of the A, and lo and behold, I have a clock. And this is how I remember that at is a time on the clock. Got it? Good. Okay, next one. So the next preposition that we're going to be working on is on, and we use the preposition on for a specific day of the week or date, like Monday, or a date like May 22nd. So for example, we will meet you on Monday. So how do I remember this? Well, it's very easy. You see, I take the word on, and I just write it here on my board, and with another marker, I can make the word Monday, and it looks like this. This is how I remember that on is with a specific day or date. Monday, on is in Monday. There you go. The last one is the preposition in. Now with the preposition in, you're going to have to be a little bit more creative, shall I say, in trying to remember this, but it still works. So pay attention. I'm going to write a strange looking in like this. Okay? You see it? Good. Now, to help us remember that in is for a specific time period, that's when we use it. For example, I was in Paris in 2015, or I was in Italy in 2012. Well, or for example, a month. I was in Italy in September. Okay? So I'm going to write, for example, 2015 or September like this. Okay? And so you have to remember that these time periods go inside the N of the in because it is a container of time. Get it? Container of time contains the containers which are used by the preposition in. Good. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. How to remember the prepositions in, on, and at and never forget them again. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please click that thumbs up button, but I'd really love for you to leave a comment down below. Let me know if you found this helpful so I know to make more videos like this one. And if you'd like to get more cool videos like this, click that subscribe button. And don't forget to check out my free English Advantage training to help you improve your English conversation. Until next time, take care. So the next preposition we're going to learn... Okay, we're continuing.